Hello everyone. So today I was going to teach Python using um, Jupyter Notebook. So I have just launched Anakata Navigator. So I have already installed Python in my machine. So the Anakata Navigator is opened. So I'm going to launch the Jupyter Notebook. So there are many apps available. Launching Jupyter Notebook. So it will be opened in the default browser. Okay, our file system will be appeared in this browser. So in the navigator, right, I will be going to create a new folder. And naming it as Learn Python. And creating the first notebook, and it will be opened in the new tab, and it will be untitled with extension IPNF, PN for PY for Python and NP for notebook. Okay, and renaming as Python Day 1. So it is renamed. The notebook is renamed as Python Day 1, and the extension will be by default. You can see in the browser extension, right? It is opening. So all these are cells actually. So when you it will be creating a duplicate cell. So this will be using the up and down arrow to navigate. Okay. So if you want to insert above or below, and if you want to delete. So there are three options. Whether that each cell can be act as code or markdown or raw. So by default, it will be in the code only. So we can execute each lines by pressing Shift Enter. Okay. So in the first line, I was going to write something, entering some tab key and entering the header as Python programming. Just aligning the day one to the end and renaming the title as Learn Python Programming Basics Day 1. And Shift Enter, right? It will be acting like not like a cell, it is like a markdown. So after that, when you enter the Shift Enter, right, automatically each rows will be acting like a code. I'm just entering print hello world. I was missing a syntax right now, and I was trying to do Shift Enter. It will throw error message, some kind of incomplete input. So after editing with the close braces, so now the syntax is correct. So when I execute, the hello world is printed successfully. Again, I was going to assign some int values and string value to a variable. So let's a equal to let's 1 say, and in the next cell I was entering and print a to print that value. It is also throwing error because the a is not defined. In the left side, the number is not executed, right? That means the variable a equal to 1 is not at all assigned. Okay. After executing, when I execute the print a again, the value which we assign to a will be printed. Now going to be equal to some value, a string value, test book by Kani. Shift enter. Then the left hand side and the number will be incremented, the execution number of each cells for this notebook. It is counter incremented by 1 by 6 execution, and in the next cell I was trying to print the value of b. It will create the duplicate when we click that button. If we want to insert a cell above, it is inserted. I was printing this value here. The value of textbook will be printed. If you want to delete, you can use this icon to delete. Okay. You can use the arrow marks above also to run each uh, cells. So for the, running the entire notebook, I will be explaining all these things later. Okay, in the further sessions, teaching sessions. So it will be saved in the folder where we created, right? So you can go and find the folder learn Python. Learn Python, you find it, okay? And here the notebook will be saved. You cannot be able to open directly, but you can go to the web interface. You can, if you want to save in some other location or thing, that also we can do, like saving like a file, okay? Or control S to save the file. You can close this, and you want to open freshly. So don't go. There are other items like PCHM you can able to open. Other apps it cannot be executed. Like we cannot able to open Java programs in there, right? In Jupyter Notebook, right? Like that. So launching the Jupyter Notebook again. By default, the URL will be localhost, and you can able to find the folder where it is and how you saved, right? That will be opening again. If we want to edit and run the cells, or if you want to learn, we will continue in tomorrow's session. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.